In triangle XYZ, angle Y is a right angle. Point P lies on line segment XZ and point Q lies on line segment YZ. So that line segment PQ is parallel to line segment XY. If the measure of angle XZY is 63 degrees, what is the measure in degrees of angle XPQ? First, let me draw a right triangle. Since Y is a right angle, we can mark Y over here and we can take X, Z. The question says the point P lies on a line segment XZ. Okay, let me mark the point P on the line segment XZ. Q lies on YZ. Okay, here we have to take Q on YZ. Now let me connect the 2 points P and Q with the line segment over here. And also the question says PQ is parallel to XY. That is this PQ and this XY are parallel. Here the line segment XY is perpendicular to YZ. Since PQ and XY are parallel, this PQ also must be perpendicular to the line segment YZ. Then we'll have right angle over here. Now let's consider the information we have over here. That is the measure of angle XZY is 63 degrees. So here we have X, Z, Y. So the measure of this angle is 63 degrees. Now let me consider the required angle, that is angle XPQ. It's over here, XPQ. Actually, this is the exterior angle of this triangle PQZ. We can use exterior angle theorem to get the required angle, that is the measure of angle XPQ. So measure of angle XPQ, that is the exterior angle, equals to sum of the two remote interior angles in a triangle. For this exterior angle, these are the two remote interior angles. We know that the measure of this interior angle is 90 degrees and the measure of this interior angle is 63 degrees. So according to exterior angle theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two remote interior angles. When I add this 90 degrees and 63 degrees, I am getting 153 degrees. Here I got the measure of angle XPQ, that is 153 degrees.